So, where are we going? Oh, you guys ready?
Ronan's brakes are good. Out of all of us, he's got the best brakes.
Yeah?
You know why?
Is it a caliper? Or disc?
Both front. Mine is disc at the front. See?
Yeah, disc is good.
But I have caliper at the back.
His is both front and back. Wow. That's a nice one. Very nice. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
and they're all 21s. They're good to go.
yeah. You guys could go ahead, or do you want me to go ahead?
Ready? You guys ready?
I could be at the very end, at the very back.
We're all set, ready to go. With Emma.
Maybe we could even go to fall later on afterwards.
Where?
Fall.
Oh yeah.
Do we go to
Yeah.
We gotta go. We have to go while biking.
I'm not hungry.
No, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry now because I already
There
ate.
is also
Pho or
other stuff in
Kitsilano. Yeah, yeah. If we go hungry there later on.
If not,
Can you start and stop well now?
Yeah, I could really stop. It's more like when I'm going.
Okay. So I want you to be aware though when you were crossing intersections and streets. You have to be
when you change the
pay attention to me and mommy. Okay, because we're gonna go all the way to we're gonna go far this time. We're gonna be passing traffic.
Okay, but when we're going the downhill over there, I have to go on my feet, okay? Because I'm too scared.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go on your comfort level. If you're not comfortable, get off the bike and just walk it.
Are we going?
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna just probably walk it for now because I'm gonna be. Yeah.
Ici, c'est pas la meilleure place. Là. Voilà, là où c'est plus plat. Choisis ta place pour te partir.
I'm gonna go behind you.
Okay. Let's go.
I feel more comfortable when I see everybody. This is cool. Yeah, as far as I know. I put around 30. It's funny. Can you imagine if Johnny's family is with us too? Straight. You want me to lead? I could lead. Here. Yeah. Yeah, so we just go straight until we reach Arbutus walkway. And then from there it's gonna be way better. Easier. There's Ronin and Richard. Huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. You kaya na ba? Oh, Emma's not doing bad. Don't hit the bushes. Actually, this bike is not actually bad. For some reason, I thought it was smaller.
Come on.
Yours is good too. Okay. Oh, I wish Johnny and his family were here too. Well, I could put it at the back if I get too warm. Okay, Em.
I'm gonna be stopping over guys when we're at the road.
You could go on the main road now, Em. As long as you're on my right side, it should be okay. Yeah, we just here, Em. You could go here, close. Oh, it's okay. If you're comfortable there, that's fine. It's okay too. Yeah, you know what, Haniban? Yeah, I won't be able to keep up with Emma if I'm not biking. Or I'll really have to jog or even run. Yeah, she's already more comfortable now.
We're done running.
Yeah. Did you know this is actually our first time biking with Emma? This is our first time biking with Emma.
You guys too?
Huh?
No, you're biking there.
Yeah, this is our first biking for the year. Because we were just running with her. Yeah.
We were practicing and now she's good.
Okay, go Em. Go, follow Tita Jan.
Yeah,
Follow Tita Jan.
Mets tes doigts sur tes bras et vas-y doucement. Voilà, c'est ça.
Good. Good job. Good job. Not too close, Haniban. Not too close just in case she breaks. Good job, Emma. Huh? Good job. Yeah, I can see she's getting way more comfortable now. Oh, she even went on the bump. Good job.
T'as vu?
You gotta go on the mountain soon, Em.
La prochaine fois, tu restes dessus. Et là, on peut aller de l'autre côté.
Don't go on the oncoming bicycle. Stay on the right side. Close to the line. Bikers that are going the opposite direction is gonna go on your left.
Next run.
Wow. This is actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I wonder how.
It's like this all the way down to Gastown.
Yeah. No, what I'm wondering is like how this 360 will actually record it. I put it on road mode so that I could have like 18 hours of footage.
So it will stop when you're not moving.
No. It will overwrite. It will overwrite whatever is recorded, but it's 18 hours. If I use a regular one, it's only 4 hours.
Yeah, you use the right mode.
So I just use the road mode, and it also.
And you could do, that means it'll be like a fast thing.
Huh?
You will like go, like you know when you.
No. Road mode is a regular, but it's just it's lower quality. It's 4K instead of 8K, but it's still okay. The guy wasn't so happy because you guys were going on his way. Yeah, you were trying to protect Emma. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Look at our lineup. Can you imagine if Johnny's family's here too? We're gonna have a really big lineup. Hey, comment ça va?
Tu joues avec ça, mets-les plus bas. Okay?
What happened?
Tu mets plus bas, comme ça.
Why?
Okay? Tu l'amènes à 2, vers toi.
Oh, is it too strong?
Vas-y, go.
Too
Ouais, faut que tu-
too hard?
Joue avec tes vitesses. Maman vient de le mettre à 2.
Not yet. She hasn't. Oh, there.
Okay,
Go on the right side, guys. Go on the right side.
don't change the gears while you're stopped. You have to change the gear while you're
Well,
moving.
you have to be biking and then you change the gears. Stay here on the right side for now.
Mets un à la fois. Juste un. T'entends un.
Yeah, you have to be
Fini.
pedaling. You have to be
Okay.
pedaling as you change it.
Là, c'est trop. C'est trop. Tu l'as mis à 5. Regarde la flèche. Tu veux à 4. Mais quand tu pédales, c'est
I
1.
have to switch it on this side, not
Yes.
Et
No,
pas
no,
d'un
no,
coup.
this.
Et pas d'un coup, OK? Tu changes one speed at a time.
Yeah,
OK?
while you're pedaling.
Yeah.
But you're on the hardest one right now.
OK.
It's almost switching.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Oh, I'm starting to get hot now. I think I'm gonna take out my sweater
There you
now.
go. Now.
Yeah, so as you're biking, switch gears.
How about switch sides?
You're on the wrong side for the bike.
Yeah, but we don't want her to get hit by the faster bicycles on the other side.
Oh, here, let me change it.
If you pedal, maybe I can change. If you pedal, I'm gonna change it. Okay, there. Okay, we're at 2 now.
That should be easy.
Yeah, on a 2, ça devrait être bon.
Yeah, it's good.
And you can still. Yeah.
Is it still in the chain?
Huh?
Yeah, we changed it for her.
No, just change it to the easier gear.
Oh, I thought the chain came off.
Yeah, but she changed it, but she put it at the heaviest. Oh no. Like the stronger.
Yeah.
Now it should be easier now.
Okay.
It is easy.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out for other bicycles, Am. Stay on the right side of the bike lane.
You see those people?
Yeah, no, I told them.
Like, you should learn another things. They were teaching you how to change gear.
No, yeah, that's why I was telling him. It's like, we don't want her to get hit by the faster bikes while she's changing gears.
Yeah.
And we're pretty much not moving.
Yeah.
Stuff like that ticks me off. You too?
Yeah.
Haniban, watch for bikers on behind you, huh? Okay, go. Okay, here's not too bad anymore. Emma could probably go a little bit faster now. Em, stay on the right side. Closer to the white line, okay?
Okay. You can say run in, you can go faster. Is it okay? Run in, your chain?
Whose chain is that?
It's fine, okay? It's very almost down.
Oh, Emma's not bad. It actually makes me pedal faster. Yeah, she's not doing bad, Haniban. If you're gonna stop, go on the right side, Em. Yeah, stay out of the way.
Because they can go if they want, and we can just.
They could always just come back for us. I already talked to Richard earlier. He said they could go on their own pace.
Yeah.
And then we could meet at Kitsilano.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Look, my tires.
It should be okay because when I pumped it, it was to the level.
feels
It was
good.
30 already.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. She's gonna have a good sleep tonight.